Now next article is YIG tune solid state oscillators. YIG tune solid state oscillators have broad tuning range, excellent tuning linearity, and clean spectrum. They serve as local oscillator in microwave surveillance receivers, sweeping signal sources, and frequency synthesizer. They can be easily tracked with YIG filters in tunable receivers where a wide open front and cannot be permitted. According to their basic design, these oscillators can be divided into three types. First, fundamental transistor oscillators, which covering 450 to 4000 MHz. Second, fundamental transistor oscillators with integral buffer amplifier in the range 2000 to 6500 MHz. Third one, fundamental bulk effect oscillator in the range of 6000 to 18000 MHz. The performance of YIG oscillator is very closely related to the characteristics of the tuning element, which is the YIG sphere. The ease of the tuning and the natural board operating frequency range inherent in any circuit using YIG spheres are enhanced in an oscillator by the high Q characteristics of the YIG resonator. The Qs of YIG spheres are comparable or even higher than those of the most microwave cavities, and their small size, that is 0.258 cm to 1.016 cm diameter, contrasts with the equivalent mechanically tuned cavity. The dipole resonant frequency of the single crystal of YIG sphere is Fr is equal to gamma times S0 minus HA, where S0 is the DC bias magnetic field and HA is the internal field of the crystal, and gamma is the gyromagnetic ratio of an electron, which is 2.8 MHz per hour state. A typical YIG transistor oscillator circuit is shown in figure. The parasitic elements such as the self-inductance of the coupling loop around the YIG sphere or the emitter to collector capacity of the transistor can be self-resonant at sufficient high frequency, and care must be taken that this does not occur in the band of operation, otherwise the tuning linearity will be degraded. Electronic countermeasure, that is ECM applications, stress the need of microwave oscillator with very large frequency bands. The backward wave oscillator is quite suitable for this. However, the development of bulk effect devices, low noise octave tuning, and high sweep rates can be obtained by the Varactor or YIG tune gun effect oscillator. Figure shows such a YIG tune gun oscillator. The crystal or the single crystal YIG sphere is mounted for obtaining asymmetric coupling between the diode and the output loop. The biasing magnetic field should be uniform in the region of the sphere. The YIG sphere serves not only as the resonance circuit but also a band pass filter, thus reducing the spurious or the harmonic content of the output signal. When the YIG sphere is not present, the dipole loop and the output loop are oriented orthogonally so that the coupling between the two loops is nil. With zero magnetic field, the starting frequency of the oscillator is determined by the circuit resonance, which consists of the diode package, and the diode loop. When the biasing magnetic field is applied, the diode circuit resonance is lightly coupled to the uniform precession mode of the Voyager sphere. As the magnetic field is increased, the diode oscillating frequency is pulled by the Voyager sphere. For linear tuning, the starting frequency should be kept slightly below the lowest tuned frequency. Best electrical performance is obtained when a uniform RF and biasing magnetic field intercepts the region occupied by the Voyager sphere. Figure shows or figure gives an equivalent circuit of the oscillator as shown. That's all. Thank you.